Okay, hopefully you weren't in the wrong way on any earnings crapshoot in Google. Okay, typically I back away from the market unless you are fully hedged as far as earnings are concerned. But what I do is I look at the market after earnings come out. So in this case, Google had a really healthy decline. So now I have a few things that I can do. What I can do is I can compare this recent decline after earnings now with some of these prior declines, and you'll see that some of them are very similar. For example, this decline over here is $87.59, which is very similar with this decline here of $86.83. There's a few other that are similar. This one is $93.30. Actually, let me see if I also projected that swing. So if we measure that high to that low, you project it from the next high. Yeah, that's where that 1104 area comes in. Bottom line, I did find a support decision this morning, and I did put it out there. But I'll tell you one thing, it really didn't trigger an entry just yet, at least not for a swing trade. So this is what I want to go over as far as decision number one. It is the 1103.22 to 1110.41 area. This area for potential support includes two 100% projections of prior swings, one 618 retracement of the prior low to high swing, and one 1272 extension. Okay, so that gives you that area as a key decision. And like I said, it really only triggered for a day trade today. It did not trigger for a swing trade entry. You might want to wait till this market stabilizes a bit before getting too excited about this area, because I want to show you one other chart first, and that is the weekly chart of Google. Now in here you'll see some of the support that I just talked about, but you're also going to see some of the larger prior declines here that I've now projected from the most recent high to also figure out some other areas where we might find support if we don't find it at the current levels. Now the area that stands out below the market on this weekly chart comes in at the 1069.66 to 1080 area, and that also includes multiple symmetrical projections of prior swings, along with a 618 retracement of the prior major swing. So those are a couple of areas that I'm going to stock for possible entries, but I'll tell you right now, it's still vulnerable. I do not see the new buy triggers yet. Okay, so be patient. If you don't see the triggers for a swing trade, don't take it. Okay, if you do, then you have reason to place a bet, and then place your stop either underneath the cluster zone or underneath the low that's made prior to your buy signal.